If you've ever wondered how to grow sprouts at home without soil, then this is the video for you. So the first thing you want to do is rinse whatever container you're using to grow them in. I like to use jars, but some people like to use trays. It's completely up to you. You just need to make sure that the lid has a drainage system so that you can rinse your seeds every day. So after that, I'm going to be putting in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the seeds that I'm choosing. I have mung beans in this one. I have radish seeds in the next one, which are really beautiful, nutritionally dense and easy to grow. And then in the last jar, I am putting broccoli seeds. Again, incredibly easy to grow and nutritional. You could also use alfalfa seeds, it's up to you. So after you've put them in, you want to rinse them straight away and dump out the water, but conserve it if possible. Then you want to soak them for 6 to 12 hours depending on the seed type, and then drain that water too. From then on, you're going to be rinsing your seeds about 1 to 2 times a day, and after about 24 hours to 48 hours depending on how warm your atmosphere is, you're going to start seeing your seeds sprout. And this is the best part. Now don't be worried if you see your seeds getting quite fluffy. This is not mold, this is just the root system really starting to develop, which is really exciting. And then from then on, you just want to rinse your seeds 1 to 2 times a day. You don't need too much water at all, you need much less than you think. And then after about 5 to 7 days, your sprouts are ready to be eaten. And you can use them in such a variety of ways. You can wait longer for them, but they will start to develop a much stronger taste. So I think 5 to 7 days is the perfect amount. Now, if you really liked this quick video, then consider giving it a like and subscribing for more quick videos on a Tuesday and longer every other day. Thanks for watching.